my beauty influencers and new beauty influencers that have started. And if you're not with me, welcome as a beauty influencer. You have made a great decision to join Farmasi. Farmasi has only been in the United States for 1 year now. It's one of the fastest growing direct sales companies out here right now. They're cruelty-free, vegan-free. Everything that they do is in-house. This is why our products are affordable. But yes, if you have started as a beauty influencer, once again, welcome. That means you have paid the $19.99 to get started and you have gotten your starter kit. Just remember, before you get your starter kit, and waiting for that shipment time, you can go ahead and set your website. So I'm going to show you and give you some information on how to get started with your website. So once you get your link, they'll email you. You'll be able to log in and use the login information that you used when you originally signed up as a beauty influencer. Once you do that, make sure that you go ahead and I have some notes here. Make sure that you go ahead and you set your GPG account. This is the way that you are going to get paid by your GPG account. When you get this all set up, you will go ahead and put your routing number, your account number, all that information that you need in order to get paid. Remember, once you have signed up, immediately you can start earning money. You will start earning your 50% commission off of your sales. Remember, the products, you get them for 50% off, and you will get 50% commission once you sell your products at full price. That is exciting. Next, be sure to order your products. So once you get signed up, you either can sign up with a package that makes you active, because you need at least 120 personal volume points to be able to become an active beauty influencer. And then you would need 200 points to go ahead and start earning 3% off of whoever you joins under your downline and their orders, etc., etc. So that's the way that you will need to go ahead and get active. And you will need to do this every month to make sure that you stay active. Whether it is you're placing your small order and then the other orders are through customers, or you get orders from your customers that will give you your personal volume points. Your group volume points are when your whole group in general, your volume points in the group, whoever's your downline, whoever's with you, will earn points too. You'll get a total of group volume points. And that I will show you later in a compensation, talking about the compensation in another video. So I will show you that in another video. Just remember that it is exciting that you have joined a company that's only been here for 1 year. Remember to share, 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 share. If you are already on social media, go ahead and share it on your Instagram page. Get excited. If you have already your starter kit, take a picture with your starter kit. Get excited. This is your new business that you are starting. How exciting is that? You're going to get your own website, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead, sign in, and get the information for your website so that you can go ahead and start your link, add it to your Facebook, add it to your Instagram, send your link to friends, to families, all of that good stuff. So let me go ahead and show you how to get that started. So I have got my handy dandy iPad here and hopefully I can show you guys and it would be clear for you guys to see. So you will log in, you'll go into the Farmasi website and you log into that. Let me just go ahead into my main page here. So it will take you to your main page. When you log into the website, you will go on to these little lines over on the side, right? You'll click on there. And then to set up your GPG account, it literally will say you'll go into your personal menu, because that's where all your personal stuff is going to be. So you'll go into personal menu. And then in here, it'll say GPG account. If you see that, I know you can see the glare from my ring light and everything, but you will start your GPG account in there. That's where you will put all your routing number information and everything so that the company can pay you off of your sales when people shop on your website and everything. Then if you want to go ahead and get your link for your website so that you can add it to your social media, you will again, once you've logged in, you go into the personal menu and you will go into personal information. So you will have personal information on there. So you would go on to that. I'm not going to show you all of my personal information, but if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, once you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see down at the bottom what your website is. And then you can click over to the side, copy it, and then you can use that link. Usually what I do is I add that link to my notes in my iPhone. I don't know if you have an iPhone or an Android, you will take that link, download it into your notes, or just copy and paste it into your notes. And then you can use that where you can text it to people, you can send it to their messaging through Facebook, through Instagram, or you can change your Instagram to a business account or a creator account and add that as your link for people to go in there onto your website. There are other things as well that you can do. If you guys are following me already on Instagram, it's Linda Pink M on Instagram. And if you follow me, you will see I have a link there that it's Linktree. And there I have options of things that you can shop if you want to join as a beauty influencer, questions and stuff that I ask people that are interested in being a beauty influencer. I will show that in a later video to my ladies on how to get that set up, because it's a whole setup that you would need to do, whether I'm going to do a Zoom call or something that I can do with you ladies so that you can get that website set up and you can get it set up for your business. And it's very easy, very simple. I'll show you how to get your domain, how to get all that ready. Some of my ladies already knew how to do that, so they jumped right into it, and I'm happy about that. But I am here to guide you and help you to take your business to the next level. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go now, guys. Ladies, beauty influencers, God bless your business. I hope that you continue staying motivated, you do your thing, everything. Make sure that you do it with love, because this is how you're going to grow your business. You definitely have to put time into it. You have to love it. You have to make it your baby, and you have to run with it, guys. But I will see you in my next video. Congratulations in becoming a beauty influencer and taking this step to go to the next level and starting your own business. Bye, guys.